Hello, it's Joshua Okposo and welcome to Piano Muscle Memory episode 1 in the key of C major. Alright, so all throughout this episode, I will be breaking down the song into 4 different stages or steps, okay, and each stage will be having a kind of melodic chord. So let me explain what the melodic chord actually means. You are worthy to be praised. So you are, that's the chord. Worthy to be praised. That's the response. Okay, so just understand that for every stage we'll be doing something similar. So let's go. The first thing I played there was G, and I played this, and this is A, F, G, and we played C, F, G, C. And this is B, G, A, and we played D, G, A, D. And for the third chord, we played this C, G, C, and E, A, D, E. Alright, so that's the first step. So for the second step, we played another melodic chord. Alright, so take that slowly. This is G, G sharp, G, F sharp, G. So you want to take that slowly. G, G sharp, G, F sharp, G. Then the chord that follows it, or the response, is. And there's a funny thing about the second step. It has all the same chords that the first step has, except for the third chord. Alright, so which means the first chord and the second chord, they are all the same with the first step. Alright, but for the second chord, for the third chord, it's something different. Alright, and that's just our left hand being modified, which is the C sharp, the A, and the B. Alright, then we still have the same thing on our right hand, and that is E, A, B, and E. Alright, so second step done. For the third step, we played an octave as the chord. Okay, we played Re, D, Ma. You understand? So what did I play there? I played G, then I played this, which is D, A, C, and the A, D, F. Yeah, A, D, F. Then the C, G, C on my left hand, while playing the G, C, E on my right hand, which is the second inversion of the C major chord. Yeah. Then we played B, G, and A on my left hand, while we play the root chord of the G major chord. That's the G, B, D. Alright. So that's the third step. For the last step, which is the fourth step, we're going to be playing a chord as the chord. Yeah, alright. You are worthy to be praised. So that's it. So let me show you the breakdown. So that's the chord, and that is the F major chord first inversion, which is just A, C, F. So you do it twice, you bounce on it for twice, then you go here. Your left hand is D, A, C, while you play the F, A, C, E on your right hand. Then you keep your left hand the same, but your right hand is coming over here, which is the F, G, C. Okay, so the next chord, you're going to be moving your left hand, and this is the G and the D, while you play the F, A, and the D on your right hand. Then the other chord, your left hand remains the same on the G and the D while you play the F, G sharp, B, and the D. Okay? Now you play the last chord for our fourth step, which is the C, G, C, and the first inversion of the C major chord, which is the E, G, C. Alright, so let me play the last step once more. You are worthy to be praised. Alright, so that's it. So from the beginning. So that's it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.